Settle on quick. Audible online folks. Very good morning. Good morning, everybody. The boy is cursing me a lot. Cursing me. Asked me to sit in front row. I'll not come. Huh? Chalo. Online folks, shall we start? Shall we? By the way, yesterday, whatever we were doing, either I'll start with the same program, that third scenario, taking a number, increment, decrement. Shall I start with the same program or the new program? Same concept, same programmer. But you need to help me with what is the program we have discussed. The structure. Agree, na? One, one, two. Then over here, then here, and here. Am I right? This is how the structure was. Agree? Sure. Numbering फटाफट. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how the structure was. And can I write the conditions directly? Pretty much comfortable, na? Ready? Now ready. So we wrote first outer loop. Done. If at all conditions are, what is the first condition we wrote? J is greater or equal to 5 minus I, and am I right? Done. Then I am supposed to print. Am I right? Else then this for loop will end somewhere here, probably. I'll end it. And this is our print line. Agree, na? Okay, sir. Then we have checked some other conditions. What is that condition part? We have checked it, sir. We have taken another integer variable, say k equal to 1. And the point is, we wanted to print for the first time. Agree, right? Am I right? Sure, na? Okay, sir. Here, rather than taking, better I'll make k1 always here. Sure. And then one condition is required. What? If k is 1, I should print. But if k is 0, I should not, I mean, I should be printing space. Am I right? One place where I should write the condition. Within this loop or before the loop? Let's check. Within the loop, what is the condition, sir? If at all, k modulus of 2 or chalo k double equal to 1, then I should be doing what? Then I should be, tell me fatafat. Then I should continue this part. If k is not even 1, then I should say what? SOP of, are you getting my point? Everybody, am I clear? If I'm printing space, ensure to make k is 0 back. Pakka? Not sure. Are guys, yes or no? This condition is right place or wrong place? Wrong place. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Wait a minute. This one scenario is bothering a lot, huh? After this condition check, here I should do. Thinking k is 1, then I print star. Okay, else I'll print space. Make sense? Chaliye. Same condition, I'll write it again. If at all j is greater or equal to 5 minus I and j is less or equal to I plus 3. Agree? Then if this condition is true, then again one condition we will check. What is that? If at all k double equal to 1, then you better print the star. Agree? Else we will print this much. Am I right? Wait a minute. Here, after printing star, k should become 0. After printing space, k should become 1. This is what it is. Now it is perfectly correct. Shall we do the dry run? Chaliye. I'll do only for 2 rows. Chalega na? So first of all, I is equal to 1. J is 1. Or can I say j is 1, 2 or 3? 1, 2, 3 are done. Comfortable, na? When j becomes 4, then I need to worry. Because every time has been done, till here we have been printed. Now j become 4, condition true, 4 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 is greater or equal to 4, condition true. J is 4 is less or equal to 1 plus 3, 4, condition is still true. Then I say k is equal to 1. Then I'll print star. Okay, I'll print star and show to make the k is 0 back. After this, I'll get back and again increment the value of j to 5. Then over this condition, 5 is greater or equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Condition is true, but 5 is less or equal to 4. False. I believe all the conditions will be false now. Agree? So 3 conditions are again false. Agree? After this, we will step out of the loop. Then, am I right? Am I right? Then I will be incremented to 2, sir. If I is incremented to 2, immediately k becomes 1. Then we will start the another story of second row where j I am starting with 1. Condition is true. Here 1, 5 minus 2, that is 3. So can I say if 1 is there, I'll print space. If 2 is there, I'll print space. Am I right? Okay, sir. 2 is there. Then I'll increment to 3. J has been increased. अरे यार तुम लोग समझो यार बात को यार. It is already 1, 2 and 3. Done. Then 3 is greater or equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Condition is true. Here 3 is less or equal to I plus 3. Still condition is true. And k is also 1. I print 1 star. After printing 1 star, I mark the k as 0. And then after this entirely, I'll step out and say j is equal to 4. Over here, 4 is greater than 5 minus 2. That is still correct. 4 is less or equal to 5. Condition true. Still condition is true. But as of now, is k equal to 1? No, sir. Then print a space and ensure to make the k as 1. After this, once again, j value will be incremented to 5. Okay, this condition is true. 5 less or equal to 7. 5 greater or equal to this 5 minus 2, that is definitely true. 5 is less or equal to 5. Still condition is true, sir. Okay, then get in k equal to 1. Once again, print star, but after printing star, ensure to make k as 0 back. After this, j value will be incremented to 6. 6 is greater than 5 minus 2, condition true. 6 is less than 4. Then all spaces will come. Are you with me? So shall I do the third row also? Understood? Or shall I do the third row also? Pakka? Funda is simple. You need to toggle between the scenarios. Clear? Okay. Then do you want to make a note or shall I give the next scenario? Make a note. Make a note. Online folks, this third scenario also clear to you? Late again. I'll literally not allow. One day I'll send you back. Be ready. Where are you coming from? 500D start from 4 a.m. madam. So inside also you can come, madam. From Sarjapur till the Sarjapur signal, right? From Sarjapur to signal, you have one bus. That also starts on time. Morning 5 a.m. Where is the traffic in Bangalore? Huh? Which traffic are you talking all about? I don't know. Shall I proceed? At least wipe the structure. Okay, na? Next is the structure. Super easy. Don't worry. Easy peasy structure. I mean, everyday routine cannot be done, madam. Madam, do one thing, change your batch, no? Every day I can't allow you, madam. Come tomorrow, do one thing. Go. Chalo, continue. Can I say this structure is pretty much easy? Close the door, please. Can I say this structure is something we cannot handle? We can handle? Pakka? Then how about this one, sir? This is what you were doing that other day. Understood the structure, what is happening? So structure diagram, if I tell you this way. Am I right? Can we give a try to this? No. Hold on. Explanation, not you trying. I'll explain. This is something new is coming. Let me explain, then we will talk about it. This much is done. Shall I wipe it? Structure, shape is clear. Let me do Rangoli. How many columns, sir? And rows count, fatafat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fatafat, tell me the values of all the rows and columns. Sir, if I and J, if I take it here, why do I take it? And somewhere here is the J. Done? Okay, sir. What are the values of I? Sir, first row, where all am I printing? Where? 1. Then I'm printing at 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. 2 and 3. After that structure changes and 1. Sir, normalized condition, if I need to write conditional wise, you remember, na? Next step conditions we will write. Maximum how much it goes, minimum how much. Agree? If you observe, we should actually, are we supposed to bother about this column? Value is always 1, J value is 1, there is no change. Agree? But J value sometimes increasing. This is what the only obstacle between our learning, our solution, right? We have learned either increasing or decreasing. Here it is happening both. A new type of scenario is there. Now focus. Let me write down all the values. Sir, let me write it here. What can I write? J is greater or equal to or less or equal to? Whenever you're writing this side part, na, it is always lesser or equal to. How is the maximum value you are going? 4. How about here, sir? J is less or equal to? Here, J is less or equal to? J is less or equal to? Here, this one. J is less or equal to? J is less or equal to? J is less or equal to? This is how the scenario is. So let's check comparison, because see, whatever we wrote, we need to identify that this much structure is same. What? This is everywhere, right? I don't need to bother about J is less or equal to. This is fixed for all the rows. But if you observe this one value, which is floating, agree? One thing, if we observe, sir, it started here and keep on increasing till here. But after that, it started decreasing. Agree? So let's compare these values with I. What happens? I, same. Here I, same. Here, same. Here, same. But now, here I is keep on increasing. But I want the structure to be decreasing. So can I say with respect to I, does it make sense to us? No. Reason, pay attention. I structure is always increasing from 1 to 7. I value is 1 to 7. It is always, is it also increasing, decreasing? No, it is always increasing. But our structure sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. So if you directly rely on I, things will not work. Reason? I is meant to only increasing. If this structure would have been like this, then definitely we can proceed with J and I relation. Agree? But our structure is how? Sometime here goes and then come back here. Agree, na? This is where we should not rely, while writing conditions, we should not rely on the I. Rather, we'll do something else. Shall we? Agree? Now the point is condition wise. If you don't mind, can I take another variable? Another variable K, whose value sometime I'll increase, then sometime I'll decrease. Are you getting my point? Sometime I'll increase, sometime I'll decrease. When to increase, when to decrease later. But as of now, if I need to write the condition part, don't you think this should be the condition for me? Agree? So can you please help me? If of J is less or equal to K, then I will tell SOP of star, right? Else SOP of done. This much is clear? Okay, sir. Now, sir, when to increase? When to decrease? If you observe till increasing, after 4, am I right? Till the value of what 4? I or J? Till the value of I, unless you become 4, keep on increasing. The moment you cross, start. Am I right? Unless I is less or equal to 4, K plus plus, K plus plus. Are you getting my point? The moment you cross 4, K. So whatever we discussed, shall I simply say if at all, else? What is that condition we are saying, sir? If at all, I or J, I or J. Are Baba, values are dependent. I or J, I is less or equal to 4. I is less or equal to 4. See, till 4, K plus plus, I'll do it. After 4, what will I do? That is what I'm doing. Now, int K equal to, here 0, I'll take it. So when I get into here, it will become 1. Chalega? Or we'll do dry run, we'll get to know if any mistake is there. I am writing in here. We'll correct the situation when we move forward. Okay, na? But do you think this will help us? Anybody having that feel or not gonna work? No comments, huh? By the way, did you understand? What did you understand? Something I understood, don't ask what. Yesterday, where were you, madam? Did you inform? Get up, madam. What is the problem? Fine. Couldn't inform also. That much severe health issue was there that you couldn't even inform. Last. Next time I'll definitely ask you to leave the class. Chaliye. Shall I wipe the board? We'll do dry run and we'll get to know. This much you can definitely do it by yourself, na? Chaliye. Let's start. Sir, I value I'm starting as 1. J value we will see. K value I'm starting with 0 as of now. And somewhere here the structure will come. Agree? Okay, sir. I is 1. 1 is less or equal to 7. Condition 2. 1 is less or equal to 4. Then, thank God, K is 1. Then comes over here. J value becomes 1. Am I right? J value becomes 1. Then 1 is less or equal to 4. Condition true. J is 1 is less or equal to condition true. Then print Done. After printing star, I'll go back and increment the value of j to 2, sir. Then 2 is less or equal to k. Condition is false. Then I print space. Then j will be incremented to 3. Once again, 3 less or equal to 1. False. Once again, j will be incremented to 4. 4 is less or equal to 4. Condition true. 4 is less than or equal to 1. Condition false. Once again, print star space. Am I clear? After this, j will become 5. 5 is less or equal to 4. Condition false. Step out and j is gone. Am I right? Okay, sir. Once again, if this loop is not even ended, this is println. Am I right? Okay, sir. Then I will go and increment the value of I to 2, sir. What is the value of I? 2. 2 less or equal to for condition 2. K value right now. Make it. Okay, sir. J, I'll start from 1 less or equal to for condition 2. 1 less or equal to, this time it is 2. Here it is 1. Condition, print 1 star. After this, once again, j will be incremented to 2. 2 less or equal to for condition true. 2 less or equal to 2 condition true. Print star. Then once again, j will be incremented to 3. 3 louder. 3 is less or equal to 4 condition. 3 is less or equal to 2. Then space. Once again, j will be incremented to 4 less or equal to 4. True. 4 less or equal to 2. False. Print space. Then once again, j will be incremented to 5 less or equal to 4 condition. Condition false means j is gone. Agree? Once again, I will be incremented to 3. 3 is less or equal to 4 condition. If condition true, k will be incremented to 3. J value I'm again starting from 1. 1 less or equal to 4 condition. 1 less or equal to 3 condition. In that case, once again j will be incremented to 2. 2 less or equal to 4 condition. 2 less or equal to 3 condition. Once again, okay sir, j will be incremented to 3 less or equal to 4. 3 less or equal to 3. Once again, okay sir, then j will be incremented to 4 is less or equal to, okay sir, 4 is less or equal to 3. Then print, okay sir, once again, j will be incremented to 5 less or equal to 4 condition. Step out of the inner loop and j is gone. Agree? Once again, come to the next line. Then I will be incremented to 4, sir. 4 is less or equal to 4 condition. True. Increment the k to 4. Once again, j will be 1. 1 is less or equal to 4 condition. 1 is less or equal to 4 condition. Okay, sir. Once again, print star. Once again, j will be incremented to 2. 2 less or equal to 4 condition. J will be incremented to 3 is less or equal to 4 condition. I'm skipping one. Hope you understand. Then j will be incremented to 4. 4 is less or equal to 4 condition true. 4 is less or equal to 4 condition true. Once again, print star. Then j will be incremented to 5 is less or equal to 4. Step out, come to next line. Then I will be incremented to, by that time j is again gone. Agree? Okay, sir. 5 less or equal to 4. Then decrement. Am I right? Now tell. J value will start from 1 less or equal to 4 condition. J value, K value, 3, sir. 1 less or equal to 3 condition true. Print 1. Okay, sir. Then once again J will be incremented to 2. 2 is less or equal to 3 condition. Print star. Then J will be incremented to 3. 3 is less or equal to 4 condition true. 3 is less or equal to 3 condition true. Once again print star. Then J will be incremented to 4 is less or equal to 4 condition. 4 is less or equal to 3 condition. Print space. Then once again j will be incremented to 5 is less or equal to 4 condition. Step out, come to next line. Then I will be incremented to, okay sir, by the time you came to the next line, this is gone. Agree? Then 6 less or equal to 4. Then decrement to, okay sir, j value start from, okay sir, 1 is less or equal to 4 condition true. 1 and here 2. 1 is less or equal to 2 condition. In that case, print 1. Okay, sir, j will be incremented to 2 less or equal to 4 condition true. 2 is less or equal to condition true. Once again, j will be incremented to 3. 3 less or equal to 4 condition. 3 is less or equal to 2. False. Print Okay, sir, then J will be incremented to 4 is less or equal to 4 condition true. 4 is less or equal to 2. Once again false. Once again J will be incremented to 5 is less or equal to 5 condition. Am I right? Then I step out and come to next line. Am I? No, I'm there still. Next line means J is gone. Agree? After this, I incremented to, okay, sir, 7 is less or equal to 4 condition false. K will become 1, sir. In that case, J will again start from 1 is less or equal to 4 condition 2. 1 is less or equal to 1. In that case, print for the last time. After this, J will be incremented to 2 is less or equal to 4 condition. 2 is less or equal to 1. Print once again. 3 condition false. Once again. 4 condition false. I hope you understand here now. Agree? What's happening? Do you understand? Rather than relying on IF, because every time we have been comparing J and I. Reason, there was a symmetry of a structure. Either structure was increasing or decreasing, then we can rely on that. But our structure is sometime increasing, then again decreasing it. Better not to rely on J versus I. Take another variable whose value sometime increases, after some time decrease it. Agree? How long to increase? Unless you reach to the row wherever maximum stars are there. Agree? After that you decrease it. Clear? I have a problem with this scenario. Anybody has a problem? We haven't learned how to generalize the scenarios. What? Hey, I don't know, Ra. I want to ask end user, give me the value, number of rows. Say, for example, he give number of rows as 7. Then I'll do what? I'll print the structure this much. If he gave 11, then bigger structure. If he give 5, smaller structure. Getting my point? That is not going to happen with this, because I'm hard coding the values 4, 7. Are you getting my point? This 4. Am I right? So if you are okay, shall I make some changes? Agree? Consider I'm going to take another variable, say no value given. Okay, now whatever rows value I'll take from the end user. Enter the value for rows. In our case right now, 7. You remember scanner? So I'll tell rather than 7. Oh, rows. Done. Sir, this 4, how do I come from this rows? Say for R is 7, R into 2, no, it will become 14. No, R by 2, R is 7, na? 7 by 2 is how much? For us, it is 3. It is not 3.5. Hope you understand. Pakka na? Plus R by 2. Are you right? So shall I write over here? What? Sir, first you calculate the rows by 2. Whatever comes in that, you say plus 1. After that, J. Am I right? Clear? Sir, same should I do for here also? See, rows by half. That 7 by half is 3.5. We'll consider 3 plus. Am I right? Sure. Actually, this became khichdi pichadi. I have to make one more level change. God knows how. There is no space. Am I right? Do one thing. Make a note of it. I'll type the code. We'll project it. And while typing the code, I need to write one more level of condition. This one more pair will come. When? Hold on. Everybody started making note. Hold on. Story is back. Picture baki those. Last one level of optimization is required. Let me see what is that required or not for you. One more change is required to handle all the scenarios. Practice before. Seen this before, this kind of scenario. Funda is simple, sir. If I am giving row, number of rows as 7, you are going till 4, increasing, then decreasing. Yes or no? Sir, if rows are 5, Apply 5 by 2, 2.5 plus 1. So till 3 you will increment. After 4 you will 4, 5 you will decrement. Agree? Am I right? Sir, 11. 11 by 2, 5.5. 0.5 ignore. 5 plus 1, 6. Till 6 increase. From 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 decrease. Agree? Sir, value given any even number. Till now I have been giving odd numbers. 7, 11. What if even value given? Are you understanding? In this condition, in this case, this condition will be top, will not work. Agree? What to do if even number is given as an input from the end user? That scenario we have to handle. After you make a note of. Provided you understood, else I re-explain. Understood? Pakka? Arun, it will not work in that condition, buddy. Cross check. Can I wipe the structure? That whatever was written here, I, J, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, that I have wiped it. Ensure you make a note of that as well. So can I say we are pretty much pro and confident about patterns now? Done. Shall I wipe the board? Shall I proceed? Visible? Online folks clear? Respond in chat. Okay, sir. Thank you, guys. There is no need. Let me, basic skeleton I have created just now. We'll discuss. Ours is batch 3. Okay. So very few patterns I have done. Patterns. Demo. Fine. .java. Okay. Observe. Within the main method, initial these lines meant to take the input from the user for the rows. Agree? Done, sir. Then I'm starting the loop from 1 and I should go how much? How much should I go? Proceed till rows. I simply say rows. Done. Sir, J value should I proceed how much? Row by 2 plus 1. So you will tell rows divided by 2 plus 1. Am I right? This much is done. Sir, what is the condition we have decided? J should be less or equal to I. Okay, so we have to declare another variable called, what is the value of K we are starting with? Okay, sir. When should I increment or decrement? If I is less or equal to rows by 2 plus 1. In this case, what should I do, sir? K plus plus, else, sorry, wait a minute. Then I should say K minus minus. Am I right? Anything else? Everything correct? Array import statement, huh? Import java.util dot. Can I write star also? Which is recommended? Star only, sir. Scanner. Array, we don't know. We didn't discuss a topic called packages. Wait, before, I mean, after understanding object orientation, array, string, everything done, then there is something called OOPS principles will come. Before the OOPS principle, we'll discuss about it. A very important prerequisite to understand access modifier with respect to visibility, the topic called packages. Without this topic, packages, we cannot even talk about OOPS. It's, I mean, that much critically important. We'll definitely discuss right before OOPS. Abhi to Delhi dur hai. We have a lot of things to cover before that. So let me quickly say, close all the left, then I'll say right, open into CMD as the ritual set class path equal to. This always creates a issue else. Java C patterns.java, Java patterns. This is what we have learned it. This is what we don't know. Any problem here? Correctly coming. Here is the problem. Am I right? To fix this, what shall we do, sir? Are you telling, sir, if odd values are there, then whatever we have written, this condition, that is absolutely fine. Am I right? But if it is even, number of rows are even, then this condition fails. Agree? So let's fix that part first. When should I do this activity? This is, hope you understand what am I saying. Increment the value of K, then decrement. This is valid for what? For odd number of rows. If number of rows are odd, then you do one thing, half plus 1. Till that you increment, after that you decrement. Am I right? Let me cross it. Then you will tell what? If rows. Array, what is the condition to find out the row? Come on. I mean, even or odd. Yeah, you are not even telling mod of 2. Array, not equal to. Chalo, we'll do it. Equal to. Then we don't know if in case of even we don't know. We know about. Ha, sir. Am I right? Chaliye, this is correct. If rows are even. Look at the diagram. Try to understand what will happen. That middle row is there, na? Maximum number of rows that will be printed twice, basically. Wait. Listen, what is the scenario? Sir, if at all, let me take this structure. Say, for example, this is the structure, right? Right? Sir, if at all, these are odd number rows. What if these are even rows? Then this will happen. Are you able to understand what is happening? This row, which row? Middle rows will be printed twice. Twice with the same length. Then only this structure will be formed. Or wait a minute. Let me do one thing. Is it possible to print another space here? Let me just check it. 1 minute. Looks very beautiful now. Wait a minute. I wanted to show you what. As of now, this is how the structure when the number of rows are odd. If even is there, then how the structure would look like, I'll tell you that first. Are you getting my point? So that we can build the logic about. I expect you to build such logics. Are you able to understand what is happening? Sir, in this case, if you see, these two rows are of same length. Number of column wise. Width of these two rows are absolutely same. Then only we will be able to form this. That is the only one solution. If rows are even. Stop yawning, sleep early, get up early, be fresh in class. Every day it is happening. Or else I'll keep one mug of water. The moment you yawn, chala hai. Huh. I expect you to build the logic. See what is happening. Till half what we are doing. Then where are we decrementing? Where are we supposed to start decrementing? That logic, if you can think about. Fatafat. Perfect. This is also one way. Can you try without taking another variable? I don't like taking unnecessary variable. If rows are even, then row by 2. If odd, then row by 2 plus 1. Array, not getting the point. Pay attention. As of now, we have written for the odd condition. As of now, we have written for the odd condition. For even condition, what should we write? That you need to think. You will not, and try me. I mean, trust me, best way to think is on paper. Don't think in air. Let it take 5 minutes. Think. I'll wait for you. What draw a structure proper where 2 rows are there, even number of rows are there. Try to draw the structure, this one. And then you think about it, then we will proceed. See, this is something you should be easily able to do it. Spend a little 1 or 2 minutes on this logic. I'm sure you'll get it. +0 అంటే ఏ వాహ్ this is what I'm thinking. This row should come twice, right? No. Wait a minute. How many rows I gave? It is taking 3 to 5. And this is the simple, straightforward logic was there. There's nothing much. Two goes by 2 plus 1. They have to take a third variable. Huh? No, man, I have done it without third variable also. What you are telling, same thing. Say, for example, you are telling, take another variable, say x. Then here itself, you'll do the calculation. If at all, rows modulus of 2 double equal to 0, then you are telling x should be with the rows by 2. Am I right? Else you are telling x equal to rows by 2 plus 1. Ideally, we should be putting this into a. Am I right? Agree? Then here you should be telling I should go to always one part of condition you will write it, right? This one you will remove it. And here you will always say x. Am I right? Pardon? In column also? Here also. Without third variable also I have done it. I remember it. Wow. Our structure is not coming 7 rows. See? Wait a minute. Might be some silly mistake we are doing. See, because it is actually print after this line also, if you see, few lines are being printed. Can you see that? कुछ ना कुछ तो गलती कर रहे हैं अपन. Can you see? There are few lines are there after the structure which is coming as blank. So whatever decrementation we are doing, that too much of decrementation we are doing it. That is also one of the reasons. Let's see. कोई ना कोई solution तो निकलेगा. This one. This one, huh? Ah, we should decrement, na? I less or equal to? Pardon? Which one, appa? Line number also tell, appa. I mean, so many 60. This condition is I less or equal to x. It is supposed to be x only, no? Less or equal to. Oh, somewhere I have made changes. Yes. 7. Yes, now coming 7 at least. Fine. Let me say if I give 10, then see this, these extra lines are coming, na? Which condition? This portion. This conditioning is correct. As per me, this is correct. Also, we can do without the x variable, that we will see later. But is this correct? Then line number, here you are telling line number 16. Huh? Mhm. Without that also we can do it. Actually, these conditions are working absolutely fine. I have checked it. Wait a minute. Incrementation, decrementation is absolutely correct. There is no second thought about it. Goes by 2 plus 1 rows. हाँ correct है. I understood that the middle row we should repeat. That is not repeating in our logic. I got your point, buddy. For the very first time I understood. But I mean, the point is, what thing is, we have done this way also. Now I am missing out something on that. I'm thinking about that. ये वो भी करके देख लेते हैं आखिरी unnecessary thing. Either way, it does not work. तो और ये स्ट्रक्चर लग गया. Because it is, say for example, 10 is there, till 5 it works fine. The moment, now that's the whole point. See, if rows are 6 given, 6 mod 2 is what? 0, right? Then I'll come over here. Rows value is 6 by 2 till 3 it will go. Agree? Then after that, if it becomes 3, absolutely correct. If rows are 6 till 3 it is going. So fourth one also should be, see, they come fall into this. That is not happening. Am I right? Else in here, it should not be decreasing. Are you telling this way? Shall I make it this one? Will this help? Wait a minute. I'll listen to your solution also. So you are telling stop taking these. Am I right? Stop doing these things. Don't even take this variable, right? If at all, wait a minute. If at all, pardon. If at all rows mod 2 double equal to 0, then one scenario, and else we have already written it, right? Okay, so tell me next. In this case, I should, this should be rows here, this should be rows by 2 if it is odd. Here it is, if it is odd, rows by 2 plus 1. Am I right? Now, will this work? I don't think it will work. Here we have to make some changes again. If it is even, then रुको 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 देखें क्या हो रहा है. else if perfect. You got the catch, buddy. Ah, if at all, it is actually a different condition. I should be less or equal to perfect. I should be less or equal to rows by 2 plus 1. You do it here. It will get now this will work. Hopefully. Let's check 1 minute. See if rows are 2, perfect. If rows are 2, say 10 you have given. So half is 5 plus 1. Then sixth one. This one should not decrement. This one should not decrement, na? Wait a minute. Let's first draw the structure, then we'll get the plan. I understood. In this only, we should not write the else part. We should write 2 if conditions. If it is even. Wait a minute. अरे यार X symbol अलग मजे ले रहा है यार. This should be what? Rows by 2. Am I right? Where appa? Here. I should be greater. I is greater than 2. You are telling I should be greater or equal to rows by 2 plus 1. Then Acha bhaiya, till odd rows you are comfortable, right? Complete it. I'll cross check and get back to you. Because I remember one thing. If it is odd case is there, then if and else scenario is there. If it is even cases are there, then conditions are different. That I remember very well. If and else will not come. But let's check. But are you comfortable? Till odd rows you are comfortable, na? Even I'll get you clear also. I also might be making some mistake. But I cross-checked there, it was supposed to be working. There is some conditioning mistake we are doing it here. I'll cross-check and get back. One day, can I take the extension? Am I allowed to make mistakes? Chalega na? It's okay. And I'm pretty much shameless person. If I don't know something, I'll openly tell I am not sure. I'll learn and come and teach you. I'm not committing, I know everything. That kind of build-up I never gave, right? Have I given? How can I make mistakes? I never said like that. I do mistakes. I know every batch make mistakes. As of now, you know prime number easily. Armstrong number, leap year. These are questions you have done it, right? I could not do that alphabet uppercase or lowercase also. Recent V4 batch. I'm like, yaar, uppercase, lowercase is not working with me. After some time, it worked. Today, it didn't work. It's okay. Chalega na? Tomorrow I'll explain. Guaranteed tomorrow will be solved. Then only we'll proceed. Tomorrow is Thursday. So soon Thursday is coming, yaar. Thursday should not come so soon. No problem. But can I give you one more structure? Will you try? Then close your eyes. If you can do this structure, second structure also you'll be able to do it. Now, what is the structure? Find a simple straight as it is, whatever you have learned this way with the K. With the K, then you should be able to do it. Shall I write the structure for you? I hope you can imagine the structure, what's going to happen. Next row, it will start shrinking. Can you see? The structure is sometimes this triangle, but after some time it becomes this triangle. Agree? Chaliye, start with me. This I expect you to solve it at least for odd numbers. At least for odd numbers. Try. Else we'll solve it together. Did I write two ahead? Two height? By the way, if it is little out of the focus, structure is like this, guys. Online folks, can you make it? अरे मेरा structure ही एक तो somewhat this is the structure. Two, three, four. I'm not speaking, Balaji. That's why not audible. I'm giving time others to practice. Balaji, audible now. Hello, hello, Balaji. Hold on. I'm giving time others to practice, na man. They need to build the logic also, right? And I can understand, Balaji. Usually I keep on talking whole entire session. Today is quite silence is there. Done. Sai Krishna. Vishnu. Fast, fast. Not even one if condition you wrote, Ra. Not even one if condition. Basic this logic also you can't make it. Look at there. That red color dots are there. If you are staring at others, when will you think? When time is given, you should build logic. Let me give you. Pay attention. What you should be doing, guys. Forget about the fifth row onwards. Don't even worry about fifth row onwards. Let's try to build the structure. This much you know, na? Triangle structure, hill triangle, you know. For that, one conditioning will come here. Another conditioning will come here. That much you build it. Then whatever I, wherever you wrote I, we have to replace that I with the K part. You know the condition for this row. What is the specialty of this side? I plus J 5. 5 will come, right? Agree? For here? Agree? Then that I you replace with K. This structure will be automatically. Are you getting my point? For that K value, when to increase, when to decrease, that you have to add it. Not getting? Try. You should. This is the last. Then over. Take 10 minutes time, no hurry. Three loops you should not take. 1, 2, 3 loop. Are you writing twice? Where is your program ending here? No, that's the whole point, buddy. You should not write this portion repeatedly. This you're writing here, all if part, as it is for else for K plus plus, write this. K minus minus, write this, right? Why don't you take these things before this entire area? No. The point is this structure is unnecessary being repeated. Understood? Try to write this conditions before, then you handle. Done? Have you done dry run also? Do the dry run first. Till 5 rows you do the dry run. Without K variable you have done. Don't you think this logic is being repeated? I'm saying, if you try to do a little smarter way, rather than twice, little slight changes is there. Try to accommodate in one place. Okay? That is the challenge. Separate to understanding this. Now, yes, here a little slight condition changes there, here is there. Here's something else, here's something else. That I understood. Vishnu, sorry, Sai Krishna, haven't shown anything today yet. Where were you yesterday? Online, na? You have texted me. Right? Now, let me see your progress. How much is done? I know, not completed. Good. Till here, pretty good. No problem. Kalyani, faster. Online folks, I'm waiting for your responses. हेलो। Rally progress. Nagu, प्रशांत, मंजू, Viresh, do one thing. Put the values and try to check till fourth row. Mhm. Then what is the purpose of taking K? Here you are not even using K. What is the purpose of taking K? Understanding? Then done. Come. We live in a condition, no? Condition ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ವಾ? Check. Condition by half you need to do it. Half plus one ಆ ತರ. These conditions are correct. This one You have done this side only. There is a this side part. Wherever बदल दिया. Wait, we'll discuss. Hmm. Exactly the point. Now, I mean, this much portion is inside the inner for loop. This is within the part that I understood. Can you do one thing? These values 5 and 3, whatever you're writing, 3, 5. Hmm. That's, can you do it now? Hold on. Come. I'll be there with you, Ra. Come. Take it. End to end. Only for odd rows. As of now, even row, I am also not sure. We'll do only for odd row, even row we'll discuss again. Okay, na? Who is pinging me again and again? Seven minus I. I value is 4. J value 1. 1 is greater than 4. And this condition will fail. Alright. Praveen, right? Freedom. Do you agree? In the condition. Okay. Same thing. Exactly. See? And one little optimization, if I need to say. With the respect to rows. Pakka. Try. Come. I'll wipe this area. Chali. Two people have done it. Good to see two people have done it. हाँ Sai. Shall I camera? Come. By now you should have showed me twice. Sai, you're taking too much time, man. Arshita, whole topic went. I did not see any single positivity from her. Whole topic went. 2 plus I or K? I minus K. This is also fine. चलेगा. ठीक है चलेगा, no problem. If it is condition fails, then it will not go out of the loop. Na? Check. Little issue is there in the conditions. Manju, corrected Nagu. See, if it is wrong, I'll not shout here. Come on, let's give a try. Come here. Girls, what's wrong with you all? Show me. Starting from here. Very good. This conditioning is unnecessarily, man. Remove this part. This is correct. This is correct. Everything is correct. Rather than I introduce K here. Just everything is fine. Unnecessary thing is this. Perfect. आजा आजा जल्दी आजा. Come. लिखो तो कहाँ से लिखना चालू करना. ऊपर लिखो, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ करो एकदम और ऊपर. यहाँ एक छोटा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन रहेगा. Ensure when you're writing these conditioning ना थोड़ा स्पेस दे के लिखना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये 5 और 3 रिप्लेस करना है. गुड. मंजू, will you come tomorrow? Are you sure? This is correct. This one, 3 plus J should be this one you're telling, na? Rho by 2 plus rows are how many are there? 7. 3 plus 2. Okay, if rows are 11, 5 plus 2, 7. 7. Huh, this is fine. For 9 also you have checked it. अटक गई हो. A plus K value is what value? Okay, this is perfectly correct. Got it. Here is correct. Hopefully, yes. Hopefully it will work. As per me, yes. Hopefully. Good. I was eagerly waiting. Excellent. Super. Only one level of optimization left over. Can you see that condition part? 5 and 3 are there, right? If I give, say, row number value is 21, is it same or should change? Are you getting my point? That 5 or 3, whatever you wrote, na, if you can generalize that part, story over. Am I right? Preetham. Chalo, finally I'm taking right name. What you wrote this one? Again, this same thing, whatever I told. 5 and 3 are when you are taking 7. Agree? What if 9 value given? Will it be still 5 or 3? 11 value given, then still will it 5 or 3? For that you write the condition. Rest all is. Rest all I didn't check everything carefully. Do the try run. Same situation over here. This one level of optimization. और तुम चले कैसे गए वापस? आओ, optimization कौन करेगा? This optimization needs to be done. By the way, before you come, just 2 minutes. All eyes here. Have a seat, madam. 2 minutes. Everybody, focus. Number of rows have been taken, and we have taken arbitrary variable k. Reason: sometime our structure is expanding, sometime our structure is shrinking. That is why. Agree? Widening and narrowing both are happening. That's why we have taken one arbitrary variable that will decide if row by 2. Row by 2. 7 by 2 is 3 plus 1. Agree? Till here, increment. After that, that is clear to everybody? Main part. I'm sure this conditioning is no big deal for anybody, right? Over here, sir. What is happening? If you would have observed already, you would have checked 4 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6. Am I right? This way structure is going. So if this line, sorry, this line, I need to check. Conditioning wise, I'm sure you would be telling I plus j equal to 5. J is less or equal to 5 minus I. Agree? Whenever we are taking arbitrary variable k, so this I should be replaced with k. That's all. Because I is always increasing. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I is always increasing. But our structure sometimes increase, sometimes decrease. Who has that situation? Our k variable is having that power to sometime increase, sometime decrease. Agree? That is the only reason. Earlier, what we used to write? We always used to write j is greater or equal to 5 minus I, right? But I is always increasing. Rather, sometime increase, sometime decrease. So, j is greater or equal to 5 minus k. I believe this one is also majority of you would have done it. Because those who have showed, everybody have done it. Agree? How about this one, sir? Now let me talk about this one, sir. This portion. What is the condition you have built, sir? Sir, row is 4 and maximum column I'm going 7. If row is 3, I'm going 6. If row is 2, I'm going. So based on that, you would have come that j should be less or equal to I plus 3. Am I right? So rather than I, you wrote k. Am I right? Story over. This conditioning also no big deal. If condition true, print star, else. Agree? By the way, whatever I'm saying till this level, are you all matching with my understanding? Pakka? Then majority of the part is done. But only one problem is there. 9. Reason? If user is entering, as of now, user enter 7, this works fine. If user enter 11, 15, then will you still say 3 and no, we can't say like that. So rather than this 3, you will be telling something. Rather than 5, you will be telling something. This 5, how many rows are there? 7, right? 7 by 2 plus, am I right? For this, I mean this one, 3, what will you say? 7 by, that's all. Don't do like this. Put the value for 7, 9, 11, 5, and then come up with the right condition. Take your 2 minutes time. What's the hurry? Are you getting my point? What you need to do? I'll reiterate. As of now, 7 are there. You wrote what? 5 minus 1 and k plus 3. 5 minus k and k plus 3 you wrote, right? Check if condition is, I mean, rows only 5 are there. Then, if rows are 5, then structure will expand till 3, then shrink here, right? Then you think what is the right conditioning will come. Put the row number 9. Check. If it is working fine in all 3 cases, means our funda is clear. For whatever you want to write here. That one last level of optimization. Then for odd rows, we have done it. Even rows, I'm not sure. Today. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Chalega? Last level of, by the way, everybody reached till here? Comfortably? Pakka, straight, raise your hand. How many of you have reached till this position? Whatever we have. Straight. Unnecessary, don't raise hand if you are not sure. How many of you, sir, I have no idea what is happening. Then I have to explain. That's why I'm asking. How many of you, sir, I'm struggling a lot? 1. Only 1. Yes, madam, what is the matter? Where are you stuck? Let's continue. Sorry. K should be incrementing where it should be decrementing. LA structure. This structure LA, one structure is huh. Whenever you see total rows 7, I value is 7. So key should increment till now. How that ಆ step ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ I J I J I J ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಹಾ. So till here you are doing what? See, it is increasing. The number of columns are increasing till this. After that, it is decreasing. How to come to this solution? Number of rows are 7. 7 by 2 comes 3.5. That is 3 plus 1. Check the condition. What is written? Here you are stuck now. This portion. Right? So total, how many rows are there? You first you count 7. Till how long you are expanding? And what is the half of 7? Plus understood? Hmm?
For even I is less than equals to C, we will be incrementing plus plus. Again for the C plus 1, we will not be doing anything. Again for C.
This is what I also thought. There are 2 if conditions are there, but when I checked it on system, it is not working. Equal to we have put it. That is the only. Let me see. Wait a minute. Wait, come here, come here. We have not supposed to put this. That's all now. Rest everything is same.
First you did not, sir, for even part and
This is even part.
for the even part and
This is where I have actually kept it this way. This was the. This should be removed. You are saying, no? I actually did it, buddy, but it was not working. No? Wait. I actually cross checked. I removed it. I removed it wrong place, huh? Thank you, buddy. Working for even also. While doing in Haribari, I removed this equal to some other place. Don't worry. Today, even if we discuss, that is not going to happen. This one, can you generalize? Or as a homework, shall I give you? Because time is already up, almost. Is it becoming too complicated? See, I'll tell you fact. If anything is becoming a little tough or complicated, the only one thing is you have to practice couple of more scenario on that to gain the confidence. 99% we have done very well. At last one step, give up and sit. I can't do it. If this program comes, I don't want the job. Leave it. Or when one day start doing 3 to 4 scenarios like this, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. See, let me tell you one simple thing. Pay attention, guys, and close your notebooks. Enough of brainstorming. You go home with a free mind, take a break, have breakfast, then you sit back. Sir, can I say this is structure? We know how to do it. We have added this much also. Agree? Can I say this much structure we know very well? Agree? We have added this much also. Agree? If you want, you can. I know that you are sure with this much structure. Why don't you add? For your self practice on paper, I'm saying. On paper. Similarly, so many structures we have done it. Increase it. So, more or less, what I'm trying to explain is if you sit and practice, so many combinations will come. This structure you are doing it. Earlier, you have done this structure, right? Why don't you try this structure, sir? Couple of times you try it, after that you will become pro in it. 2 to 3 scenarios are there which you need to practice. Don't worry about even and odd. Actually, we have done everything correctly. At wrong places, I remove the equal to symbol and it's working fine. But tomorrow, I'll with the fresh mind, I'll explain once again. Except even odd. Anywhere else problem is that, tell me. Everything is clear. Humble request. You feel that it is clear. As of now, we have what do you call? Just now we have completed. It's easy for us. If you are not writing it somewhere, whatever is your outcome. Okay, if this is the structure, these are the common things are. If this is the structure, these are the common things are there. If you are not writing it somewhere, after 2 weeks, everything will be. Every batch happens. Those who write it and all, they need 1 day to revise entire patterns, and they're ready. Understanding. So today is Wednesday. Is it okay to keep a mock this Saturday itself? Next week for patterns. Next weekend pakka. Sure. And high chances I may take a session on Saturday for methods. For methods, that might be early morning classes, most probably. So I'll keep you posted and sure to check the group before you go to bed on Friday night. Okay. If you need help for methods, then only come. I know methods. Don't come. There are few people, those who are struggling with writing logic in a different method, everything separately. For that, I'll re-explain everything. Please, most of you all welcome. Those who want to attend, come. That day, no attendance will happen. It's a what do you call backup class for you all. Simple. Okay, na? But for today, attendance must happen. Mark your attendance online, folks, and you can drop the call. Thank you. Bye bye.